Good morning, students. Last time I had sent you a video on lesson 13, the tense, right? I will just brush up all the main points of the lesson and solve the exercises so that you can solve the exercises in your notebook. So, what is present tense? Present tense expresses actions in the present time. Past tense expresses actions in the past time, and future tense expresses actions in the future time. जो एक्शंस आप फ्यूचर में करने वाले हो वो फ्यूचर टेंस दिखाता है. जो आप अभी कर रहे हो दैट इज प्रेजेंट टेंस, एंड जो ऑलरेडी हो चुकी है दैट गोज इन past tense. This is very basic tense that you must be knowing. Now let us read the examples. We are late, present tense. We were late becomes past tense. We shall be late becomes future tense. The stars are shining, that is present tense. The stars were shining, that is past tense. And the stars will be shining, that is future tense. Now all these three tenses are divided into different categories, like continuous tenses, perfect tenses, right? So and perfect continuous tense is also there. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस भी होता है, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस भी होता है, और पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस भी होता है, राइट? सो कंटिन्यूअस टेंसेज में क्या फॉर्म्स है दैट वी विल स्टडी. टाइम एंड टेंस, बी के फॉर्म्स क्या होते हैं? इज, आर, एम, वॉज, वेयर, विल बी, शैल बी आर वेरियस फॉर्म्स ऑफ बी. ये हम लोग डिफरेंट टेंसेज में यूज़ करते हैं. अगर आपको फ्यूचर में बोलना है तो आप विल बी, शैल बी यूज़ करोगे. अगर आपको प्रेजेंट में बोलना है तो आप इज, आर, एम यूज़ करोगे. और अगर आपको पास्ट टेंस में बोलना है तो आप वॉज, वेयर करोगे, राइट? अब इसके साथ भी अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स यूज होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू आर यूजिंग आई, इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट योर ओन सेल्फ, यू नॉर्मली यूज आई एम, राइट? दैट इज इन प्रेजेंट टेंस. इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पास्ट टेंस, आई वॉज, राइट? आई वेयर नहीं होता है. इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग इन प्लूरल, मतलब मोर देन वन पर्सन के लिए अगर आप बात कर रहे हो तो देन यू यूज वेयर. मतलब सपोज आप कोई दो इंसान है, रोहित एंड रिया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दोज टू स्टूडेंट्स, रोहित एंड रिया. Where the students of this school, right? Where the students of मॉडल स्कूल या जीवन साधना स्कूल, राइट? पास्ट में हो चुकी है ये बात. अब वो स्टूडेंट नहीं है, शायद वो अगर अभी पढ़ के निकल गए हैं और कहीं पे अच्छी जगह पे जॉब कर रहे हैं, राइट? बट ये पास्ट टेंस की बात अगर मुझे बोलनी है कि वो इसी स्कूल में पढ़े हैं, तो व्हाट आई विल यूज़? वेयर, बिकॉज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट टू पीपल, रोहित एंड रिया. अगर मैं अपने अकेले के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ तो आई विल यूज़ ओनली आई वॉज. सो सिंगुलर में यू यूज वॉज, प्लूरल में यू यूज वेयर. एंड इन फ्यूचर व्हाट यू यूज? आई शैल, आई विल. मोस्टली विल ज़्यादा यूज होता है, शैल ज़्यादा यूज नहीं होता है. नाउ शी इज प्रिटी, दे आर रिलायबल. दे के साथ आर यूज हुआ, शी के साथ इज यूज हुआ बिकॉज शी इज सिंगुलर. दिस इज इन प्रेजेंट टेंस. Right, now let us move on to the next sentence. Be can also be used to make other verb forms. She is coming to meet me in the evening. Now this is present continuous tense. Our aircraft will be landing soon. Will be is future tense. Is coming is present tense, right? नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में हम लोग जनरली नॉट यूज़ करते हैं. इंटरोगेटिव में वी फॉर्म क्वेश्चंस. जब हम नॉट यूज़ करते हैं तो जनरली जो वर्ब होता है उसके पहले हम लोग नॉट डाल देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर नॉट लेट, दे विल नॉट बी हंग्री, राइट? हियर वी पुट नॉट बिटवीन विल एंड बी, राइट, इन फ्यूचर टेंस. नाउ इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेज आर दोज वेयर वी आस्क क्वेश्चंस. ये हमने किया है टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेज में, राइट? नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेज जिसमें नॉट होता है, जनरली नेगेशन में होते हैं वो सेंटेंसेज. एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेज जो पॉजिटिव होते हैं, राइट? एंड इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेज आर दोज विच आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आर वी लेट, विल दे नॉट बी एंग्री. अब यहाँ पे जब आप क्वेश्चन शुरू करते हो तो आपको ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब यूज करना है. ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब से यू स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आर वी लेट, सो वी आर लेट इज अ नॉर्मल सेंटेंस. अगर उसका आपको क्वेश्चन बनाना है तो आर वी लेट ऐसा आप बनाओगे, राइट? सो आपने ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब जो है आर उसको पहले ले लिया. यू स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन विद द ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. सेम हियर, दे विल दे नॉट बी एंग्री, विल दे बी एंग्री, ऐसा ये स्टेटमेंट है, राइट? दे विल बी एंग्री इज द स्टेटमेंट, सॉरी, दे विल बी एंग्री इज द स्टेटमेंट. और अगर उसको आपको क्वेश्चन में पूछना है तो विल दे बी एंग्री, विल दे नॉट बी एंग्री, दैट इज द वे यू आस्क इट. सो जनरली क्वेश्चन पूछने के टाइम पे आप ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब को स्टार्ट में ले लेते हो, पहले ले लेते हो. Now let us study the forms of be. as given in simple past, simple present tense, I am. Simple past tense, I, he, she, it, other singular objects is becomes was. Sorry, we'll take one tense first. Forms of being present tense, I am. We, you, they, other plural subjects become are. जैसे मैंने आपको अभी एग्जाम्पल दिया था कि रवि एंड रिया दोनों के बारे में बात हो रही है. So there are two people, there are two nouns in the sentence. Ravi and Riya are playing hockey, right? So that can be used with are only because दो के बारे में हो रहा है. So it's a plural. You can use also we are playing, you are playing. You के साथ हमेशा are ही आता है, उसके साथ कभी am होता नहीं या is होता नहीं है. Because you can be used for singular as well as plural. Repetitively I have been telling this. You हमेशा दोनों के लिए यूज होता है, इसलिए उसके साथ हमेशा आर ही लगता है, राइट. आई के साथ हमेशा आर नहीं लगता, आई के साथ हमेशा प्रेजेंट टेंस में एम लगता है. सो प्लीज बी केयरफुल अबाउट दिस. देन ही, शी, इट, अदर सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स इज, राइट. ही, शी, इट सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट कोई भी हो, अगर सिंगुलर नाम है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल रवि अकेले के बारे में बात हो रही है तो रवि इज प्लेइंग हॉकी, रिया इज प्लेइंग हॉकी. दोनों को साथ में लिया तो रवि एंड रिया आर प्लेइंग हॉकी, राइट. So this is the way you form the sentence in present tense. Now let us move on to simple past tense. If the subjects are I, he, she, it, other singular subjects, you use was. As I said earlier, singular subjects के साथ was use होता है, plural के साथ हम were use करते हैं. We, you, they, other plural subjects we use were. Now let us move on to simple future tense. Simple future tense, I, we, will be, shall be, right. You, he, she, it, they, other subjects, that is mostly plural, singular subjects, and you can be plural as well as singular, will be, right. Okay, now let us move on to exercise 1. Speak out these sentences in negative form and number 2 in interrogative form. So I shall now say the answers here in the video itself. So आप वीडियो को पॉज करके ठीक से सुन लो और लिखते जाओ, राइट. सो द फर्स्ट वन, द स्काई इज ओवरकास्ट. तो इसका नेगेटिव क्या होगा, आपको सिर्फ इसमें नॉट डालना है तो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. द स्काई इज नॉट ओवरकास्ट, ये उसका नेगेटिव सेंटेंस हुआ. और उसका इंटरोगेटिव यानी क्वेश्चन कैसे बनाओगे इस सेंटेंस से आप, इट इज द स्काई ओवरकास्ट, दैट इज द इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. At the end of the video, I'll just focus the camera on the answer key of this. You just go through and you can pause the video and copy it down from that, right? The next one is, the stars are behind the clouds. The stars are not behind the clouds. ये negative sentence हुआ. Behind the clouds में not डाल दो, not behind the clouds. और interrogative क्या बनेगा, are the stars behind the clouds? That is interrogative. Question पूछा हमने. R से शुरू होगा because R is an auxiliary verb. The quality of our product was good. The quality of our product was not good. You are adding not to it, right? Then, was the quality of our product good? That is an interrogative sentence. Question कैसे पूछोगे आप उसमें से ऐसे. Then, these questions are challenging. These questions are not challenging. Are these questions challenging? That is interrogative. Then number 5, books will be cheap at the fair. Books will not be cheap at the fair. That is a negative sentence. Will the books be cheap at the fair? That is an interrogative sentence. Now I have solved first 5, 6 to 10 is your homework. I'll just focus the camera on the answers of the entire exercise. Just have a look at it and then you can copy it down. You can pause the video if you want here and you can copy down the answers, because I cannot keep on solving each and every sentence. It is very time consuming and we need to complete the syllabus also. So yes, now I hope you can copy it down. You can pause the video here and copy it down nicely. I have focused it completely on the answers. Now we shall move on further. Have को कब यूज करते हैं, like he, have also is a special verb. Has, had, will have, shall have are the various forms of have. Have can be used as a main verb. I have many friends. अब ये यहाँ पे मेन वर्ब है, दूसरा कोई वर्ब है नहीं. हैव इज अ मेन वर्ब विच इज बीइंग यूज्ड इन द सेंटेंस. फर्दर, have can also be used as an auxiliary to make other verb forms. I have finished the project, right? Now here forms of have, let us study. In simple present tense, what are the forms? I, we, you, they. Other plural subjects, हमेशा plural subjects के साथ I के साथ you के साथ have is being used, right? He, she, it. Other singular verbs, has is being used, right? Now in simple past tense, all subjects plus had is used, right? And in simple future tense, I, we के साथ होता है shall have और will have. You, we, you, he, she, it, they, other, will have. Again will have ही use होता है. So overall it is will have only with all the types of noun. Now have to. Have is used to suggest two ideas. It is used to show possession. Possession दिखाने के लिए भी. I have my own book. For example, if I say, तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है? मेरे पास अपनी बुक है, right? So have is showing possession here. I have two good dictionaries. मतलब मेरे पास दो अच्छी डिक्शनरीज है. It is used to express an action or an experience. We are having our lunch. Action. We are having a nice time, right? Okay, that is an experience. Then here we shall learn the use of have to convey the first idea. Simple present tense. When have is used to show possession, we can use either have, got or have. Both convey the same meaning, but have got is preferred. I have got a new car. I have a new car. Anu has got many storybooks. Anu has many storybooks. Negative sentences, I haven't, have not का हमने short form कर दिया haven't, right? I haven't got a new car. Not between have and got, right? Then Anu hasn't got any storybooks. Has not got becomes hasn't got. Not is between has and got. I don't have a new car. Don't आया, haven't की जगह पे हमने don't use किया. Anu doesn't have any story books. Doesn't plus have. Generally singular के लिए doesn't use होता है और I के साथ don't use होता है. Interrogative sentences. Have you got a new car? Has Anu got many storybooks? What have you got? What has Anu got? Do you have a new car? Right? These are all interrogative sentences. Does Anu have many storybooks? What do you have? What does Anu have? Simple past tense. How do you use it in simple past tense? We use had usually without got. Had use करते हैं हम लोग. यहाँ पे had is used just like have to show possession. Amit had time to visit the Taj. Mr. Yadav had enough money to buy a new car, right? So this is here had is showing the possession. Negative and interrogative sentences are formed by using did. With did, the root form of the verb is used. Amit did not or didn't have time to visit Taj. Mr. Yadav did not becomes didn't have enough money to buy a new car. Did you have time to visit the Taj? Did Mr. Yadav have enough money to buy a new car? Then C, simple future tense. We use will, shall or have. Will, shall have. Next year I will have my own house. He will have all the facilities. Negative sentences. In negative sentences, we put not between will and have. Will not is often shortened as won't. Remember this, will not is often shortened as won't. Will not को हम लोग won't लिखते हैं. जैसे have not को haven't लिखते हैं, वैसे will not को won't लिखते हैं. Shall not नहीं होता है, shan't नहीं होता है. But will not we write it as won't. She will not or won't have any complaints. The manager will not or won't have the workers support. Interrogative sentences. The interrogative sentences we write will before the subject. Will she have any complaints? Will the manager have the workers support? Right? Now next is exercise 2. Let us speak out speak out these sentences in negative and interrogative forms. That is our exercise. Now first 5 sentences I will do it, rest of them you will do it in your homework. I will again share the answer key just as I focused before in the first exercise. Now the first one, exercise 2, number 1, these books have got many poems in them. राइट तो आप उसका क्या करोगे, दीज बुक्स हैवंट गॉट, हैव नॉट बिकम्स हैवंट गॉट एनी मैनी पोएम्स इन देम, दैट बिकम्स नेगेटिव. और अभी इसका इंटरोगेटिव कैसे बनाओगे, हैव से आपको शुरू करना है बिकॉज हैव इज द ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब, तो उससे आपको क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करना है. तो कैसे स्टार्ट करोगे, हैव दिस बुक्स नॉट मैनी पोएम्स इन देम, दैट इज द क्वेश्चन, राइट. हैव दिस बुक्स नॉट हैव मैनी पोएम्स. Then next one, Suhani has got a new pair of shoes. Suhani hasn't got a new pair of shoes. Then has Suhani got a new pair of shoes? The players have balls in their hands. Use do. Do का क्या हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव बनाना है तो the players don't have balls in their hands, right? Do the players have the balls in their hands? That becomes the question. Then next one, these spices have a pleasant aroma. Spices मतलब मसाले. These spices have a pleasant aroma. So what you will make, these spices don't have a pleasant aroma. That is a negative sentence. And interrogative, do these spices have a pleasant aroma? That is a question. This train has air conditioned coaches. Use does. Does use करके आपको बनाना है. तो this train has no air conditioned coaches. ये नेगेटिव बना सकते हो या फिर ऐसा भी नेगेटिव बना सकते हो. This train doesn't have air conditioned coaches. यहाँ पे does use करना है तो आप doesn't करो, right? So the second option is much better. This train doesn't have air conditioned coaches. Does this train have air conditioned coaches? Right? This is the question. One last one I will do, sixth one. This shop has the DVDs of some rare movies. Right? So what will be the negative sentence? This shop doesn't have the DVDs of some rare movies. That is a negative sentence. And the question will be, does this shop have the DVDs of some rare movies? Right? Now from 7 to 12 you will be doing in the homework, and I am just focusing again the camera on the answers. Just go through them, or you can again pause the video and have a look at the answers. Whatever I have spoken, it is also there. You can even write it down from my narration in the video. Plus you can also refer the answer key which I am just focusing on. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप वीडियो पॉज करके भी इसको होल्ड कर सकते हो. एंड दिस इज द नेक्स्ट पेज, दैट इज फ्रॉम 6 to 12. क्वेश्चन कैसे, इंटरोगेटिव कैसे बनाना है और नेगेटिव कैसे बनाना है. नेगेटिव में हम लोग नॉट यूज़ करते हैं, कहीं कहीं पे डज दिया है तो डज नॉट करते हैं, डजंट करते हैं. कहीं कहीं पे डिड दिया होता है तो डिडंट करते हैं, डिड नॉट करते हैं, राइट. सो that way you have to change the sentence into negative and interrogative forms. Now I have focused on all the answers. Now let us move on to the next further exercise, that is will shall. Will shall हम कब use करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं, that we shall study in the future tense. It was common to use shall with first person pronouns I, we, and will with second and third person pronouns we. But we are no longer particular about this distinction. Now we often use will with all the subjects. Normally future tense में will ही use होता है आजकल in common spoken English language, right? Generally shall बहुत rarely use होता है आजकल. So that is what they have given. Now moving on to the exercise 3, rewrite these sentences using the tenses indicated in the brackets. Bracket में आपको जो दिया है उसमें आपको सेंटेंस को कन्वर्ट करना है और बोलना है. इट वॉज वेरी हॉट हियर इन समर. प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर में कन्वर्ट करो तो प्रेजेंट टेंस में इट इज़ वेरी हॉट हियर इन समर, ये प्रेजेंट हुआ. इट विल बी वेरी हॉट हियर इन समर, दैट इज फ्यूचर टेंस, विल बी आया, राइट. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज ही विल बी आवर मोस्ट रिलायबल बैट्समैन. इसका प्रेजेंट और पास्ट दोनों करना है, राइट. So what you will do, he will be he will be our most reliable. Present में he is our most reliable batsman. He is our most reliable batsman. That is your present. And the past one, he was our most reliable batsman. We had no power shortage in our colony. Present and future में करना है. तो present tense क्या होगा? We have no power shortage in our colony. Right? That is present tense. And उसका ही future tense क्या होगा? We will have no power shortage in our colony. Then this train is the fastest on this route. Past and future. So what we will make, this train was the fastest. Past बनाना है तो is का हो जाएगा was. This train was the fastest on this route. This train will be the fastest on this route. Future tense. Sapna was the favorite of her teachers. Present and future. Present में क्या बनाओगे? Sapna is the favorite of her teachers. Sapna will be the favorite of her teachers. That is future tense. You have many friends. Past and future. You had. Have का हो जाएगा had. For past tense. You had many friends. And in future tense क्या बनाओगे? You will have many friends. Right? Because future का आपको दिखाना है. अब 6 to 12 आप solve करोगे. I'm just focusing it on the answer key. You can pause the video if you want and see all the answers, right? I'm just focusing the camera on it. You can pause it. All the answers are given. Present tense में क्या है, past tense में कैसे बनाते हैं, future में कैसे बनाते हैं. The sentences are given here, right? So here we finish off the lesson, the tenses, right? This is the 12th, 11th and 12th one. Present, future, past, it has been mentioned in the brackets, okay, so that you can understand what you have to write it in present and what in past and future, right? Now further, next is the lesson. Here we finish it. Now next is simple present tense, that we shall start it later, next time, right? So we stop here now. Lesson 14 we shall start it next time.